Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about Forever Shine sub box. Okay, so this box started out as a subscription service, like a monthly subscription service, but it transitioned to a box where people could buy it whenever they feel like buying it. So it's not a subscription service. You just buy it when you want to get that box, or if you think you're gonna like the stuff for that month, you pick the box up and stuff like that. So I started following them on Instagram and I saw that they have character inspirations for like every single month or whenever the box comes out. And lo and behold, I am the character inspiration for their fall box or November box. I'm not sure which month it is. I'm not sure. I know it came out now. When she initially contacted me, she had told me for the month of November, but this box came out now and it has a fall theme. So I'm starting to think that it is maybe their fall box. All right, so I'm just gonna read a little bit of like their description on what they have on their website so you can kind of get an idea. So it says Forever Shine started as a self-care subscription box designed to inspire and uplift women. But we realized not everything in every month would appeal to everyone, so they remodeled it. We now offer our boxes solely as one-time buys instead of monthly payments. Our original mission still stays true with this new change. We want to inspire and uplift women not only with self-care items, but with inspirational aspects and meaningful themes. The themes in these boxes are all handmade by artisans as well. We believe in supporting small businesses. It includes several handmade items as well as themed activities to help you live a full and happy life. So it's supposed to be like very inspirational and uplifting to your life. It says each box contains an open when note and gift that goes along with the theme. So they have free shipping, they have handmade artisan little items, and they have activities and challenges in it. So this box, the one where I'm featured in, is 11 handmade items plus tea and an open when letter, and it costs $42. So this is the box, super cute. And what thing is that they don't theme like the entire box around their character inspiration. They just make a little cute and adorable little sticker with your face on it. So let me show you mine. So this is inspired by one of the pictures that I sent to them, and that is supposed to be me. Isn't that cute? With like a little robe and like a little coffee or tea thing in like fall colors. I thought that that was adorable. So the theme for my little character box is fall in love with yourself, and I absolutely love that. I was like, oh my God, I'm so happy that they picked me for this one. So it says, hello beautiful, this box was curated to encourage you to let yourself take time for you. It is so important that you take care of yourself regularly and make time for relaxation. The world can be so harsh and judgmental that it becomes easy to feel insecure about yourself. We compare ourselves to magazines, Instagram accounts, and celebrities, making it possible to reach that perfect standard that everyone is trying to achieve. The thing is that everyone is perfectly flawed. We're all unique and different in our own ways. Stop judging your reflection. Stop refreshing your page to see how many likes you got. Stop all the harshness towards yourself and begin to love yourself again. You deserve it. So they have a playlist of songs that maybe you should hear. This is so cute. Look, I come out again there. I love it. So this is like their activity little note card thing, like little pamphlet, and they give you questions like, do you underestimate yourself? Are you happy with who you are? What are 3 things that you love about yourself? They also have an Instagram challenge. Okay. Then there's a playlist, and then there's some quotes. So I'm going to read the quotes. It says, if you're searching for that one person that will change your life, take a look in the mirror. That is an awesome quote. I love it. You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Falling in love with yourself first doesn't make you vain or selfish. It makes you indestructible. You are free. You are powerful. You are good. You are love. You have value. You have purpose. All is well. I love it. And then it tells you everything that comes in the box. So let's get into it. I thought this was very, very cute. All right, so this first thing here says, open when you feel emotionally and physically drained. And I'm actually gonna open it, guys, because I wanna share with you guys. But I think this is beautiful. And to be honest with you, I probably should have opened this days ago. So when you open this, it has a little note that says, you are amazingly amazing. And then when you open that up, it has another note. Guys, this is beautiful. So it says, so you're going about your normal day, taking care of your home or kids, or knocking out all your schoolwork. You're the listener, the one who nurtures and cares for everyone around you. Everyone around you is content and happy, but you find yourself feeling emotionally and physically drained. It's time to make time for you. As a mother of 3 babies, I know how challenging this can be when your every second is taken by responsibility and your attention is always being drawn to something else. It's easy to neglect yourself. The funny thing about caring is that it's impossible to do without caring about yourself too. You can't fill someone's well if yours is empty. Do something you love, work out a schedule that gives you more time to yourself. Whatever it is that you need, make time for it. Start treating yourself with kindness. Give yourself a break when you need it. Give yourself time to process your emotions. You deserve it. It's time to fall in love with yourself again. That is so pretty. And then attached to that comes this little thing here. Let's see what this is. So it's a little like sticker thing, and it says, love yourself. I love this. I love this. So let's see. The retail for this, does it have a retail? I don't really know. Mystery gift. I'm not sure. But this is beautiful, guys. Like, this is so inspiring. All right, the next thing are a pair of earrings, and these retail for $16. And it says it's one-of-a-kind earrings. Take a peek at the unique. And those are the earrings right there. The next thing I find in here is the Leafy Tea Company Bath Soothe Wild Berry Infusion. So apparently this is a tea. That's awesome, because sometimes you need a tea to be able to relax. Next thing in here is from Bubble, I believe, Bubble Princess, and it's a coconut milk face mask. Oh my gosh. This retails for $5. Can't wait to try that out. Next thing in here is Shea Butter Cream. So let's see. This is a Love Spell lotion. This is a vegan lotion. It's cruelty free. Oh, this smells so good. This is what it looks like. That smells really good. And that, I told you, retails for $6. Next thing in here is a lavender shower steamer. This is kind of like a bath bomb, and this retails for $4, and it's handmade. Next thing in here is a candle, I think. Yes, this is a candle, and this retails for $5. It's handmade, and it says fall in love with yourself, which is the theme. And it smells very fallish, very fallish. Next thing in here says handmade with love. And let's see what this is. It feels like a soap or something. So this is, yeah, it's a soap. I wonder, oh, this is $7. And this was also handmade. It's very pretty. Let's see if I can pull it out so I can smell. Oh, that smells real good, guys. Oh, that smells awesome. Then next we've got some wax melts, and this says, oh wow, day at the spa. I'm gonna open that up and smell as well. It smells really good. All right, guys, and then we've got a little small pin with a heart on it. That's so cute. And last but not least, we have this big pack of a body scrub. This is a bath scrub and it is $7.50 is the retail. Guys, I love this box. I think it's so cute. Like, it's all things to give yourself some time, like to treat yourself. This is why I like this box. And I'm so happy that I was a character inspiration for them. And they made my little sticker and I just love that. And I also show up on the little pamphlet thing. So that makes me really, really happy. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below where you could get this box if it's still available. They do limited quantities since it's not a monthly subscription service. But I'm going to tell you guys, my most favorite thing of the whole box is this note that says open when. And they include this in every box because I had gotten another box from theirs before to kind of try it out. And this was also included in the box. So I think that this is probably one of the most important things that's in the box. You never know when someone needs something like this. So I absolutely love this part of it. I love that they take the time to do it. So yeah, I'm loving this, guys. All right, guys, so go show them some love on Instagram. It's Forever Shine sub box, and also get the box if it's still available. And if you're interested, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, my loves.